फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर लुकिंग टू स्विच अ जॉब और यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ करियर एज अ फ्रेशर इन दिस डोमेन और लुकिंग फॉर एनी रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, दैट दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच वीडियो। और अगर आपके पास नॉलेज है ऑफ पाइथन, सीक्वल, पावर बीआई, टैबलू या फिर सम बिजनेस एनालिस्ट मैथोलॉजीज, देन दिस वीडियो इज वर्थ वॉचिंग। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ। माय नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। तो इन केस इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू मिस आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी रिलेटेड टू डोमेन्स लाइक पावर बीआई डेवलपर, सीक्वल डेवलपर, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स और डेटा एनालिटिक्स डोमेन, देन सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल, फॉलो माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड माय फेसबुक पेज एज वेल। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहां पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कराता हूँ इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड जॉब्स ऑन डेली बेसिस विच आर पब्लिश्ड अंडर 24 आवर्स अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स, ताकि आप सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिस ना करें। तो अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पेज फॉलो नहीं किया है तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं दे दूंगा अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, टू चेक दैट। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं। अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, देन डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, बिकॉज योर वन लाइक कीप्स मी मोटिवेटेड टू प्रिपेयर न्यू वीडियोस, राइट न्यू ब्लॉग एंड हेल्प माय चैनल ग्रो। सो डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन। अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं। लेट्स जंप टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन।
फ्रेंड्स आ गए हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज। वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिमाइंडर अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च ग्रुप फॉर यू, जहां पे आपको मिलते हैं बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल के लिए जॉब्स ऑन डेली बेसिस अलॉन्ग विद द जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब की तरफ। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज बार्कलेज, हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एक्सपीरियंस 1 to 3 years, लोकेशन इज इन पुणे, सैलरी इज कॉम्पिटिटिव, एजुकेशन मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन बीई, बीटेक और इक्विवेलेंट। About the role, line management, providing mentorship, leadership, and support across the team. Ensure that all activities and duties are carried out in full compliance with regulatory requirements. Develop and maintain a strong relationship with the application support teams to ensure effective delivery of projects into the product environment. Effective and efficient stakeholder management. Gather and document business requirements from stakeholders through workshops, design thinking, and document. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. Required skills: hands-on experience on workflow, application, and business rules engine. The candidate should have be aware of using MS Excel, Visio, Word, PowerPoint with an awareness of SQL. Experience gained in the previous role of the following must be evident: requirements gathering, analysis, and functional design, writing business and technical documentation. And prior experience as a business analyst in finance domain, especially customer onboarding, that would be an added advantage. And if you're okay for the job post and technical skills, you can apply by clicking on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the second job, which is for the company name HEALTHRECON Connect, hiring for business analyst, experience 3+ years. Location is remote, so if you're looking for any remote job opportunity, then you can apply for the job post. Salary 5 to 11 lakhs per annum, that is estimated, that would be negotiable. Education: bachelor's degree in business administration, finance, economics or related field. Roles and responsibilities: conduct comprehensive analysis of financial data related to revenue cycle management, monitor key performance indicators to track the effectiveness of revenue cycle operations and identify areas of improvement. Further, work closely with internal teams including finance, operations, IT, and compliance to coordinate efforts and implement changes that impact revenue cycle performance. And prepare regular reports and presentations for senior management, providing insights into revenue cycle performance. So these are some roles and responsibilities for the job post. And some technical skills, what they are looking for: proven experience as a business analyst or similar role, experience in Microsoft Excel including advanced functions such as pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and macros, experience with data visualization tools and business intelligence software such as Tableau, Power BI would be a plus, work collaboratively in a fast-paced environment, strong communication and interpersonal skills. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can apply by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. Let's now move to the third job, which is for the company name FYREX, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Location is in Bangalore, salary 5.4 lakhs per annum. That's what they are offering. Education: pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in data science, computer science, engineering or related field. MBA preferred. About the role, you need to be able to perform client relationship management, build and maintain robust relationships with client, comprehending their business objectives and tailoring marketing solutions to their needs. You should also be aware about project coordination, collaborate with internal teams and clients to establish project timelines, ensuring timely and successful delivery. Client communication, maintain clear and timely communication with clients via calls, WhatsApp, and emails. Lead engagement, engage with the potential clients from Facebook, Google Ads, and the Firex website. And opportunity identification, proactively identify opportunities for upselling and cross-selling Firex diverse range of services. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst over here. And some technical skills this company is looking for. Knowledge of SQL or Python would be a plus. Understanding of key marketing scope services including SEO, social media, website development. Working knowledge of project management tools such as Zoho projects and customer relationship manager software, that would be an added advantage. And ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously and thrive under the tight deadlines. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post. And if you are okay with the job post, then you can click on this link to apply for the job post. Let's move to the fourth job, which is for the company name PAYCRAFT, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 1 year. Location is in Mumbai. Education bachelor's degree, MBA preferred in IT domain. Salary 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, that is estimated. So if you are looking for any fresher job role in business analyst domain, then you can apply for the job post. What you need to do as a business analyst over here, ability to translate business requirements into functional specification documents, perform gap analysis with the assistance of other team members, ability to demonstrate, troubleshoot and solve problems, assist customer and patterns with questions on product, and work through errors and exceptions in the system. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform. And some technical skills, excellent communication skills, both oral and written with all level of organization, fluent in English, people skills including acting with integrity and respect for others, negotiation, political sensitivity, professional impartiality, service orientation, personal time management, and ability to achieve success through exercise of influence. Knowledge of software development, lifecycle, waterfall, and agile, and IT compliant. Proficiency in working with the computer and CRM software is also important to the job of the executive for business development. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for the job post. And if you're okay with the job post, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Let's now move to the fifth job, which is for the company name Amazon. Well-known e-commerce portal, hiring for business analyst, experience 1 to 2 years. Location is in Hyderabad. Education, graduate in computer science or engineering, and salary they have not disclosed, but that would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities, gather requirements from stakeholders to build a suite of analytical and reporting solutions using the Amazon data lake. Design and develop highly available dashboards and metrics in QuickSight. Provide wing-to-wing project lifecycle execution. Execute cross-functional high-impact projects to improve operational performance, and perform business analysis and data queries using PySQL or R, etc. And some required, or you can say mandate skills for the job post: 1+ years of tax, finance, or related analytical field experience, 2+ years of complex Excel, VBA, macros writing experience, experience with SQL or ETL, and experience defining requirements and using data and metrics to draw business insights. So these are some technical skills which are mandate. But if you have some additional skills like working with Tableau or using very large data sets, then that would be an added advantage. And if you're okay with roles and responsibility, job location, and preferred qualification and technical skills, you can click on this link that is available in the description box. Let's move to the sixth job, which is for the company name Meesho, hiring for senior business analyst, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Bangalore. Work mode hybrid. Education BTech, MTech in any discipline. Salary no bar for right candidate. What you need to do as a senior business analyst over here: conduct advanced risk analytics to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risk within the organization's financial service operations. Develop and implement risk prediction models and methodologies to forecast potential risk and their impact on business performance. Further, collaborate with cross-functional teams to develop and execute data strategy initiatives aimed at optimizing risk management practices. And provide insights and recommendations based on data analysis to support strategic decision-making process related to risk management. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform. Required skills: 2+ years of experience as business analyst in risk domain, 2+ years hands-on experience in Python, understanding of basic stats and probability concepts, and proven problem-solving skills. And if you have all these skills and you are okay with roles and responsibilities, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post as a senior business analyst. Let's move to the seventh job of the day, which is for the company name Kapuna, hiring for business analyst, experience 0 to 2 years, location in Hyderabad, educational bachelor's degree in business or related field, or an MBA. It means if you're looking for any fresher job opportunity, then you can apply for the job post. Roles and responsibilities: understanding business process, elevation of requirements, uncovering areas of improvement, leading ongoing reviews of business process and developing optimization use journeys, documenting and communicating the requirements and scope, work closely with customers, tech team, QA and managerial staff, and serving as a liaison between stakeholders and users. These are some roles and responsibilities. Required skills: the ability to influence stakeholders and work closely with them to determine acceptable solution, excellent documentation skills, excellent planning, organization and time management skills, leading and developing top performing team. So these are some required skills. If you have, you are good to go, and you can apply by clicking on this link that is available in the description box. So friends, these are 7 jobs for the week for the role of business analyst, and if these jobs are helpful, do press the like button. And you can also share this video to your needy friends as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.